In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make the Xiaomi Mi A2 Lite smartphone read out text loud from web pages and documents. So for this demonstration, I'm using the Mi A2 Lite that has been updated to Android 9. If you're still using Android 8.1, then bear in mind the menu system will look slightly different. So to make the phone read out text from web pages or any kind of document you have on your phone, it's quite an easy process. So we need to get into the settings now on your home screen. Simply swipe up with your finger until all the apps appear, then scroll down to the letter S. And under S you should see settings. There's a little green icon, click on that. And then from the main menu, scroll down until you come to accessibility. Click on accessibility. And then if you scroll down again, you can see select to speak, so select that. Then the little box on the top, switch it across until it goes green, click OK. Now you should see down the bottom, in the bottom right hand corner, there's a little person icon, so that person is used to, you click on that to hear the phone speak out text on your phone. So if I go to a web page, so say for example I select this one, so to do this you can either tap it and you can click the play icon and it will play the entire web page. If you just want to select certain bits of text, so for example, if I just want this paragraph here read out, all I do is click on the little man, then I tap on the text.
Jeremy Hunt has invoked the memory of Winston Churchill, asking what the wartime leader would say about his fellow Conservative leadership candidate Boris Johnson, hiding away from the media.
So you can now see it just reads that particular paragraph. If I wanted to read it more, again I click on the little man icon, then I put my finger on the screen and hold it, and I simply drag a box like that. And if I release,
Jeremy Hunt has invoked the memory of Winston Churchill, asking what the wartime leader would say about his fellow Conservative leadership candidate Boris Johnson, hiding away from the media. Johnson comprehensively won the first ballot of Tory MPs on Thursday, in which Hunt came a distant second, and the Foreign Secretary is now appearing to present himself as the only challenger who can offer something different to Johnson.
So really it's as simple as that. And again, like I said, if you wanted the phone to read the entire page, just click on the person again and click play.
User sync.
And it will read the entire text on the page, including kind of all the dates and everything. So it kind of sounds a little bit strange. But again, all you have to do is keep scrolling down, and if you want any part of the web page read to you, click the man, tap on it,
Jeremy Hunt has invoked the
and it starts reading. So really, it's as simple as that. Thanks for watching.